Hi everyone, welcome to our Language Training Center, New Concept English Video Classroom. And today we will learn New Concept English Book 2, Lesson 21 and 22. Arkadaşlar, bizdeki ekranımız qarsanlar. Anda bugun o'rganmoqchi bo'lganimiz ikkinchi qism 21 va 22 dars. Anda bizdeki konu qoidamiz bo'yicha o'tgangi darslarni biroz takrorlab o'taylik. Yana sizlarga deydiganim shu, tekrar, yana tekrar. Xo'sh, anda shu oldin qatimliq darsimizda ko'p ko'rilgan intayin muhim ochiqishliq bir necha so'zlar bor. Shu so'zlarni takrorlab o'tgandan keyin yana mazmunga kelsak. Bu so'zlar nimalar? Catch, fisherman, boat, realize, waste. Xo'sh, endi bu so'zlarniki bir tarafida ma'nosi bor. Sizlar bu shuni tutashtirib qo'yinglar. Masalan, to understand. Okay. Xo'sh, endi to understand deganimiz oldingi soatimizda o'rgangan nima? Realize. Realize deganga mos keldi. Hamda ma'nosi birinchisi catch nima? Catch degan shu bir narsani tutmoq. To take hold of something. Take hold of something. Tutmoq nima? Catch. Masalan, catch a fish degandek. And the fisherman degan beliqcha shu nima? Bunga nima masalan, a person who catches fish. Okay, a person who catches a fish. Who catches fish. What about boot? Okay, a boot. Okay, kind of shoes, right? Bir xil oyoq o'tik deymiz nima? Shuni boot. Arabda o'tikdan ikki pay bor, shunga boots deymiz nima? And then realize, endi mana keldik. Abay ko'rgan to understand. Shu tushunish degan shu his qilmoq. Realize. Nobody realized one important thing. Okay, what about waste? Okay, waste again, israf qilmoq. Wrong use of time or money. Demakchi, ingliz definitionga qarab qarab bo'lsanglar, pul va vaqtni qanday ishlatish, xato ishlatish. Noto'g'ri usulda ishlatish. Shuni nima deymiz? A waste. Waste of money, a waste of time degandek. Xo'sh, hamsa mushariki catch. Mush catch bilan munosabatlik so'z birikmalariga qarab baqsaq, masalan, catch fish. Baliq tutmoq. Shunami? Catch a bus. Avtobus tutmoq. Bu nima desa, avtobusga o'lganmak degan gap. Catch a bus. And they catch hold of deb qo'ymizmi? And catch hold of. Demakchi bu nima desa, shu hold of bilan o'xshash tutmoq degan gap. Masalan, catch a cold deganimiz nima desanlar, bir zukamni tutmoq. Zukam bo'lmoq, catch a cold deb qo'yamiz nima? Catch up with. Catch up with deganimiz nima desanlar, birisiga yetishalish yoki shuning bilan yetishib menish degan gap. Masalan, I can't catch up with you. Okay, men sizga yetishamadim demakchi so'zlar aytgan bo'lsa, sizning gapingiz bek tez bo'lib ketdi yoki menda bo'lib ketdi degan gap. Uniki masalan bolalarniki maktabda savodoshlari bilan yetishmaymish shundami? Masalan, he can catch up with our students. Okay, demakchi boshqalar qanaqa qila oladi, ulgura oladi, yetisha oladi degan gap bo'ldi. Shundami? Demak ham nimashariga catch a cold, catch a bus, catch up with somebody and catch a fish. Okay, catch fish. Masalan, catch someone's flight. Bu nim bo'ldi desanlar, birisiniki aeroplaniga qanaqa qilish, ulgurish. Alright. Yana catch bilan qanday nim bor? Catch you later deb boshlayman. Xo'sh, undaqda men tanlab qo'yinglar. You should be studying lying in bed. Okay, nim degan to'q? Mana o'rniq manda qilaman. Bunga nima desanlar? Instead of. Okay, ma instead degan oxirgi qilam keltish nima rabish shaklda. Lekin instead of keyinda nima desanlar, shu to'mins harakat nom. Masalan, lying keyingi ing qitilgan keldi. Demak, bu shunaqa nima? Instead of. Demak, you should be studying instead of lying in bed. Karovatda beka yotganning o'rniga qanaqa qilib o'rganish qilishingiz kerak. My father is very blah blah blah blah blah in fishing. Okay, endi nima desan, odamlarga ishlatganda nahv yeng'i uqum inglizce birinchi darsda aniq private conversation degende interesting bilan interested degeni farqini tushuntirgan. Aydağı edi qatılgan sübetler adamlarga işletildi. Mesela my father is very interested in fishing. Mening dadam bek balık tutishga qiziqdi. Mesela excited. Okay, I'm very excited in this match. The match was so exciting. Tushunami? Demakchi, oxiri ing qatilganlar narsalarga ishlatildi. Okay, endi keyingisini bersanglar, the cat ate up food quickly. Endi o'zining bo'lsin bersanglar, it's. It is degan u bo'lsa deganga bo'ldi. Endi it's deganimiz shu egilik kelishninki. Uning degan gap ko'pincha hayvonotlarning, endi jonsiz shaylarninki egilikini ko'rsatsak, uning demoqchi bo'lsak, nima desanglar, it's food. It's food. It's food. Anaqda macho. To'rtinchisi, you know, I didn't, okay, that he made a mistake. And the his qilmoq tushunmak degan nima? I didn't realize. Voy, men uni his qilmabdim, uniki bir xatolik o'tkazganligini. I didn't realize that he made a mistake. He made a mistake. Okay, and King Sujo, you know, he sat there without. Okay, and without again, without saying anything. Without again, the jokum peelni ing qilgan shaklga keldi. Demak, endi ishki jumlani nima qilishda, shu oldin qatamdaqa mush peellarni keyingi ing qilgan shakli harakatlarniki nomi deb o'rgangan shunami? Xo'sh, lesson 21, mad or not. Okay, mad or not. All right, just I'm going to describe a situation to you. So I'll say it's like now you have once in a life chance to choose your house. And senin hayatında birden-bir tanlaydigan bir nima hayatında bir qatman tanlagan olgan bir fursat var. Mesela bir oyunu, your house. So what public places do you want your house to be near and why? Andaqda qaysi ommaviy so'rinlar yoki ommaviy o'rinlar sizlar bo'lsa sizlarning uyingizga shu yerga yaqin bo'lgan deysizlar. Here are pictures with some ideas to help you. And that birdan lekin bir necha rasmlar chiqadi, shu sizlarning ideyasiga vakillik o'xshab nim qilgan. Xo'shamiz qaranglar, bu yerda bir necha public places bor, such as hospital, post office, a bus stop, a bank, a restaurant. Okay, restaurant. So, which public places do you want your house to be near? Qaysi ommaviy so'rinlarni bo'lsa sizlarning uyinglar shunga yaqin bo'lsin deysizlar? Hospital? Okay, do you want your house to be near a hospital? Like, if you know, I want my house to be near a hospital because I can see a doctor. Okay, welcome. Hospital yaqin bo'lsangiz bo'ldi. I can see a doctor. Men doktorga kelsa ko'rsatalayman, shunami? Maybe you can say, I want house to be near a post office because I can post a letter. Okay, chunki men bir xat avatalayman. Maybe you can say, I want house to be near a bus stop because I can take a bus, and if I can take a bus, I will go anywhere by bus. Okay, maybe you can go anywhere. If you take a bus, maybe you can go to the post office, you can go to a restaurant, hospital, bank, etc. Okay, right? Maybe the bus stop would be more convenient for you guys, right? I can take a bus. Good. What about a bank? Okay, I want my house to be near a bank because I can get money. You can get money. What about restaurant? I want house to be near the restaurant because I can eat and drink there, right? So, which places do you want to be? Do you want your house to be near? Bu sizlar shu va shundan qasning eng yaqinda o'ylaysizlar. So, what about airport? Okay, sizlar u yoqni airport deb qasqana olsalar. Airport. So, do you want your house to be near an airport and why? Who can answer this question? Do you want your house to be airport? Yeah, if you if you have a house to be near an airport, maybe you can take a plane, right? You can go anywhere you want, right? Maybe you can say, personally I feel, in my opinion, I don't want my house to be near an airport. Because I think there will be lots of noise there, right? We had a notable and I can hear passing planes night and day. Ondan keyin men shu uchayotgan aeroplanlarni kech kunduz anglab turgan gapda. So I can fall asleep. So, if someone was given a lot of money to move away from an airport, agar birisi shu aerodromdan jiroqqa ko'chib ketishga nurg'un pul berilsa, was given, but he wouldn't want to move. Biroq u yo'tkilishni xohlamasa, what do you think of him? Amsa sizlarcha u qanday qadam ekan? Siz qanday o'yladingiz? Do you think he's ill or crazy or stupid? What about him? Ill, sizlarni og'rib qolganmi to'g'ri? Nurg'un pullar ko'chmaydigan. Yoki crazy saramya? Balkim mish crazy, asabiy, saram o'xshaydi. Yoki stupid. Stupid deganimiz nima? Dut degan gap. Undaqda bugungi darsimizda a little bit crazy, stupid men to'g'risida bir o'rganmoqchi. Mad or not deydi. Bugungi darsimizdan yangi so'zlar qaralsa, adashlar. Yangi so'zlarni o'rganayotgandan keyin undan mush darsimizni tekstga to'xtalsak. Look, how's the man? Okay, look at that. How's the man? Adam qanaqa qadam kelmoqlar. Bolqani ko'tarib kompyuterni chaqib o'tib bordi. Demakchi, he's kind of mad. Sarang, right? Okay, mad. Actually, mad. Okay, good. Mad. Mad deganimiz nima? Sarang degan. Sarang. Yoki crazy deb qo'yamiz, nima? Go mad, sarang olib qilish, nima? Sarang olib qilish. Demak, this businessman went mad and broke his computer. Bu so'digar naytdi. Saranglik qilib qanday qildi? Broke his computer. Computerni qanday qildi? Buzib o'tdi deydi. Okay. Arada buni ko'ring deb nima desanlar, drive somebody mad. Demakchi, make somebody feel crazy degan gap. Hisobda shu odamni sarang qilib o'tish degan gap. Masalan, that noisy little boy is slowly driving me mad. That noisy little boy, kichik varangchirunliq, shavqinliq. Demak, to'liq yig'laydigan, shuni nima deymiz? Noisy a little boy is slowly asta driving me mad. Meni sarang qilib o'tdi. Demak, jila qilib sarang qilib o'tdi deb qo'yamiz. Shuni drive somebody mad. Yoki drive somebody feel crazy. Drive somebody feel crazy. Undan keyin bundan yaqin ma'nolik so'zlardan savolash mentally ill. Okay, mentally ill deganimiz ma'o mingsi. Ro'y kasal degan gap, mentally ill. Demakchi, sarang deb qo'yamiz, tega ta'tirini aytganda. Kallisdan da'da bor degan gap. Shu mentally ro'y jihatga, shu kallisdagi ill, kasal. Ro'y kasal. Okay, and the stupid. Okay, and the stupid. Okay, hey, don't do that stupid thing again. Dutlik qilma. Dut degan gap, stupid. Okay, what about crazy? Okay, crazy. Crazy deganimiz sarang degan gap bo'ldi. Tushunami? Mentally ill, stupid, crazy. Mush so'zlar qanday desanlar o'xshab qoladi. Uniki mad nima? Go mad. Saranglik qilish. Okay, and madness deganimiz buni ism shakli, madness. Okay, madly bo'lsa sarang oldi bo'ldi. Qaranglar. Sorry, I got up late. Desa, to tell me the reason. Hamish debdi. Voy, kechiring, men kechikib qoldim. Yo'q, men keyin o'rnimdan turib qoldim desa. Oh, tell me the reason. Sababini deb beraman. Okay. Reason. Reason. Okay, reason. Reason, it means cause or explanation for something that has happened. Şu sebebi. Şunama. Ma'lum bir bo'lib o'tgan ishlarningki, shuningki change zahati, shunama. Hamda miyara for some reason deb gapishildi. For uchun ma'lum degan gap. Demakki ma'lum sabablar tufaylidan for some reason, shunama. Masalan, for some reason he has decided to leave. Ma'lum sabablar tufaylidan u ayrilish qaroriga keldi. He has decided to leave. He has decided to leave. Okay. Okay, you know, a reason explains something. The cause of something is what makes it happen. Okay. Demakchi, endi shu a reason degan shu bir narsani sababi, nima bo'lganligini shu isbotlab bergan, tushunami? And the cause of something is what makes it happen. Demakchi, cause degan shuning sababi, shu demakchi bir ishni yuz bergizishniki nima desanlar, shuning sababi bo'ladi. Okay, qaranglar, bu nima ekan? Sum means amount of money. Bir miqdordagi pulni, bir miqdor deganda qo'yib sum. Masalan, a large sum of money. Endi bu yer large degan cho'ngjiq degan gap. A large sum of degan ko'p miqdordagi pul. Bu nima deymiz? A lot of money deymiz. A large sum of money, a lot of money. Ona degan mush ko'pjiq deganda masalan much, more, yana birga more deb bo'lgan. Yani more deganimiz nima desanlar? Sorry, many. Many deganimiz sanag'an bo'lganlarni olg'a keldi. Masalan, many books nima? Sanag'an bo'lmaydigan qismlarni olg'a nima? Much money. Endi a lot of deganimiz ham sanag'an bo'lgan, ham sanag'an bo'lmaydigan, ham ikkilisi qanday desanlar, kili bo'ldi. Masalan, I have been offered large sum of money to do it with them, but I decided to do it myself. Nima desanlar, I have been offered. Endi ma beydon uyda bo'ldim. O senda men chona beydon uyda. Shunama I have been offered. Demakchi men ta'minlandim. Hargiz men ta'minladim emas. Yana they have offered me a large sum of money degan gapsa shaklama. They have offered me a large sum of money. Endi men I have been offered and beydon uyda. Shunama I have been offered large sum of money to do it with them. Endi ular bilan birga qilishgan nurg'un pul ta'minlandim. But I decided to do it myself. Endi o'zim qilishni qanday qildim? Qarar qildim. Demakchi sum ko'p miqdorda nurg'un degan gap. Sum of money, sum of time, large sum of time degan ekan. Okay, I had to spend a sum of money to get it back. Nima uni qaytarib kelishga nurg'un pul sarf qilishim kerak edi. Shunami? Demak sum deganimiz nurg'un. And then determined. Okay, determined. Okay, and the determined deganimiz wanting to do something very much. Determined. Okay, and the determined again, determined to do something. I mean, decided to do something. Demakchi, ma'lum bir ish qarori kelmak. Yoki shu qilish irodasi kelish deb qo'yamiz. Demakchi, bir qaror kelish, iroda kelish, shunami? Yana be determined to do something. Okay, be determined. Ma'lum bir ish qilish, qanday qilish, shu irodasi kelish, qarori kelish. Masalan, I am determined to go and nothing can stop me. Men bu ish qilish qaroriga keldim. Hech qanday narsa qanday qilinmaydi? Men to'sib qo'yolmaydi. You know, I'm determined to study English. Or you can say I'm determined to go abroad. And nothing can stop me. Hech qanday narsa meni qanday qilinmaydi? To'sab qo'yolmaydi. Okay. I'm determined to go. I'm determined to study something. I'm determined shu bir qaror qanday qilish kerak. Amsa savollarga qaranglar. Mana shu so'zlarningki o'lchamdagi shaklini bir yozib berganlar qani. Masalan, he went someplace. Yana he went mad when he lost his son. U o'g'lini yuttirib qo'yib, qanday qildi? Sarang bo'lib ketdi. Demakchi, saranglik shu asabiylashib ketdi deb qo'ymizmi? Albatta bu boladan ayrilib qilish azobi odamni qanday qildi? Make somebody mad. Okay, and the king stood like he was to go to USA, and he was determined to go to USA, and u Amerikaga berish irodasi keldi. Amerikaga berish qaroriga keldi. Demakchi nothing can stop him. Okay, endi mana keyingi the for my absence was that I was ill. Okay, and then you for my absence deganimiz yig'inga yoki bir yoki kelmaslik. Demakchi kelmasligimning sababi bo'lsa, men og'rib qolganim. Demak, the reason for my absence was that I was ill. I was ill. Okay, what about this? Drinking. Drink driving is one of the most common of the car accidents. One of the causes. Okay, demakchi aroq ichib mashina haydash bo'lsa, shu mashina voqeasi yuz berishning eng asosli sabablari. Demak, mush cause bilan reason qanday desammi? Asosan qanday? Ma'noda so'zlar. Endi misharak causes bo'lsa, shu paydo qilish sababi degan gap. Ma'lum bir hodislarni paydo qilishning sababi nima deymiz? Causes deymiz. One of the most common causes of the car accident. Qatnash voqeasiniki. All right, look at the text and solishlar kitobdagi tekstga qaranglar. Hamda avval anglab, undan keyin endi savollarga bir javob bersanglar. So, first of all, listen carefully.
Lesson 21. Mad or not? First listen and then answer the question. Why do people think the writer is mad? Airplanes are slowly driving me mad. I live near an airport and passing planes can be heard night and day. The airport was built years ago, but for some reason it could not be used then. Last year, however, it came into use. Over 100 people must have been driven away from their homes by the noise. I am one of the few people left. Sometimes I think this house will be knocked down by a passing plane. I have been offered a large sum of money to go away, but I am determined to stay here. Everybody says I must be mad, and they are probably right.
Okay, finished? Right. And so let's bu ekrandagi savollarga javob berib qo'yinglar. Where does the writer live? Okay, where does the writer live? Answer, where the writer lives near an airport. You're right. Lives near an airport. Near an airport. Okay. Another question. So when did the airport come into use? Qachondan boshlab shu aeroport ishlatishga boshlabdi? When did the airport come into use? When? Who can answer? When? Yeah, the airport came into use last year. O'tgan yildan boshlab qana bu aeroport ishlatishga boshladi. Shunami? So what does everyone say? Everybody says the writer must be mad. Bu abturchuqum sarang bo'lib qolgan shunami? So are the airplanes driving me mad? Why? What happened to the airport years ago and last year? Airport driving me mad. Airplanes are slowly driving me mad. Why? Okay, I live near an airport and passing plane can be heard night and day. Okay, what happened to the airport years ago and last year? The airport was built years ago. But for some reason it could not be used then. Last year, however, it came into use. Okay. So why does everybody say I must be mad? Okay. Over 100 people must have been driven away from their house by the nose. And I am one of the few people left. Hem de yüzün artık kişiler bir yerine Allah bunu kitap oldu derken hem de ben kayıp kalanın içine intan alışınama. You know, I have been offered a large sum of money to go away, but I'm determined to stay here. Ben nurgun pul birildim, lekin kadar götürüp gitmedim. Elbette başkalar köçmepti, pul bahsime köçmepti aşınama. Sometimes I think the house will be knocked down by a passing plane. Hem dedim neyler zanlar mı şu? Aeroplan belki şu üyemde bir çekivit şey bir öğütüdüğün deklamis kılımlardı. Demek ki muşunda şarayet turup mu hem de köçmegen diken demeli sanla. He's the really what? Really mad. Hoş hemse question 1. You know, are airplanes driving me mad and why? And skaranla. Karısanla bu biçare apturnun imeri sanla. Muş tekstilini birleştirip cevap verip bakınla. You know, slowly driving me mad because I live near an airport and passing plane can be heard night and day. Okay, so what happened to the airport years ago and last year? Okay, mesela it was built years ago. Bir neçe yıl ilgari bu aerodrom yasalgan. For some reason, it couldn't be used then. Ma'lum sebepler tüpeyildi, işletilmegen. But last year, it came into use. Lekin ötken yılı bu işletilişke qanday qildi? Başladı. İşletilişke başladı. So why does everybody says I must be mad? Why? You know, maybe the first reason I've just said, it's been driven away, and also I'm one of the few people left. But you know, I think my house will be knocked down by passing plane. And also they offered a large sum of money, but I'm determined to stay here. Lekin hem demiş ya da turuşu qanday qildim? Qara qildim. Demek hem de açtan işletkende qanday qilmaydi desanlar. Şu nimani ishildirgan gap. Xo'sh, hamsa mushu bugungi darsimizning keng time muhim bo'lgan language focus anoqsa kelsak. All right, language focus. Hamsa mush darsimizning keng time muhim noqtasi bo'shichu. Bo'lsa mushlarning ustidagi hammani birma-bir xotirlash muhim. Okay, bo'lsa, men sizlarga qanday qilsa desanglar, kitobda shu jumlani tagida sızib qo'ysizlar. Masalan, airplanes are slowly driving me mad. Okay, endi misharki drive somebody mad. Demakchi adamni saran qilib etmek. Shuni drive somebody mad. Masalan, death of her baby was driven her mad. O balasining o'limi, o buqining o'limi uni saran qilib etdi. Demakchi nihoyatda bir nurgun azapqa mutlaq qildi. King's so'zlama drive a car. And drive degan shu demak shunami? Drive a car. Yani you must be driving at 70 miles per hour. Okay, nima? Sen kamida soatiga 70 millik surat bilan qanday qotsa, aydayotsa degan. Okay. And drive shu demak shunami? Masalan, drive into the environment. Mesela mal erxil, mesela kala qo'ylarni haydab qanday qilish, qo'tanga kirgizish yoki etizga ichirish deb qo'ymizga, mesela drive the cattle into the field. Mesela etizlikqa kalalarni haydab ichirish. Shuni qilib bersanlar, shu drive degan gap. Endi men qarang, drive away bo'lsa, drive into degan ichirish, drive away degan qo'lni o'tish. Mesela they use dogs to drive the sheep away. Okay, endi ularni ishni ishlatib qo'yni qanday qilib etdi, haydab etdi deydi. Demak, drive into bo'lsa shu, masalan, mol chorlarni bir yak echirish, masalan, qo'tanga, etizga shunami drive away bo'lsa, haydab o'tish. Okay. Endi ikkinchi jumla, I live near an airport. And a passing plane can be heard night and day. Ondan keyin ham shu o'tayotgan, uchayotgan aeroplanlar kech kunduz qanday qildi? Ayollar. And the mishareket night and day and night, all day and all night mushulning hammas qanday desanglar. To'ng'itsda keldi. Night and day, kechki night deganimiz kecha, day deganimiz kunduz, kech kunduz. Day and night. Yoki o'ndan sanam bu yoki all day, all night. Bu o'xshashlarmi? Kech kunduz degan gap. Masalan, I worry about it night and day. Men onundan kech kunduz ansirayman. Masalan, they have worked night and day to help rebuild their homeland. And that ular kech kunduz ishlab ularningki homeland, vatanining o'zining diyorining qayta qurilishi rebuildga qanday qildi? Qayta qurishga yordam berdi. Kech kunduz ishlab yordam berdi. Tushunami? Number 3. The airport was built years ago, but for some reason it could not be used then. And America, for some reason, deganimiz ham demaymiz. Ma'lum sabablar tufayli. Okay, and the sun deganimiz ma'lum, tushunami? Ma'lum degan gap. Ma'lum degan gap. Okay. Uni degandan mushu okay. Mushu somning keyindan and the ma'lum bir aniq bo'lmagan sanani bo'lgan ismlarni qo'yilgan gap. Qo'yilgan gap. Masalan, she is playing chess with some boy. Ma'lum bir o'g'il bo'ladi. Demak, aniq bo'lmagan lekin mushunda deymiz, nima? She is playing chess with some boy. Okay. Masalan, some yana birga sanag'ini bo'lmaydigan ismlarning qilib azroq bizar degan gap. Sanag'ini bo'lgan ismlarning oxiri kelsa nima bo'ldi desangiz, some deganimiz bir qancha deb ma'nosi bor. Masalan, he borrowed some money and bought some books. U azroq pul o'tmaldi hamda bir nechta kitob sotib oldi. Demak, hamda bu books degan sanag'ini bo'lgan ismlarning kelib bir qancha tal degan gap ham some books. Some money degan bizar pul, azroq pul degan gap. Demakcha soni aniq bo'lmagan ma'lum bir miqdordagi degan gap bo'ldi. And somebody bo'lsa birov, ma'lum bir kishi. Masalan, somebody love you. Ma'lum bir sizni yaxshi ko'rdi ekan, loves you. Tushunami? Last year, however, it came into use. And the come into use deganimiz nima? Ishlatishga kirishtirmak yoki ishlatmak degan gap. And the use degan shu ishlatmakku. And that came into use bo'lsa, ishlatishga kirishtirish. Demak, ishlatishga boshlamak degan gap. Masalan, computers first came into use in early 1950s. Mush kompyuterlar tunji qatim 50-yillari qanday ishlatilishga boshlagan, ya ishlatilishga qanday qilgan, kirishtirilgan. Okay. And we use deganimiz nima? Ishlatmak. Masalan, this washing machine has been used for 10 years. Bu qirolga 10 yil o'zi ishlatilib keldi. Demak, 10 yil o'tda ishlatgan. Shuni ham deb hozirgacha bor ekan. Ona deganda used to do something. Masalan, I used to ride a bike. Shunami? Demak, ilgari doim qiladigan, lekin hozir qilmaydigan ishlarni used to deysizlar. I used to do something. Shunami? And be used to doing something. Demak, ma'lum bir ish qilish qanday qilmoq? Ko'nmak. Ko'nmak. Masalan, I am used to getting up early. Okay. And men mush balda o'tirishga qanday qildim? Ko'ndim. Demakchi, mush ma'lum bir ish qilishga ko'nmoqchi bo'lsa, be used to doing something. And they used to do something bo'lsa, ilgari shu ma'lum bir ish qilishga qanday qiladigan, lekin hozir qilmaydigan ishlar. Yana, I am one of the few people left. Okay, one of the few people. And the one of deganimiz ning ichidagi birisi. And the one of the few people keyingi ismdan cho'qim nima qilish kerak desanglar, ko'plik shakli qilish kerak. Masalan, Kashgar is one of the most famous cities in Xinjiang. Demakki, eng Xinjiang dangli shaharlarning ichidagi birisi. Masalan, Helen is one of my best friends. Or best friend deb bo'lsam bo'ladi. Helen bo'lsa mening eng yaxshi do'stlarimning ichidagi birisi. Masalan, Shanghai is one of the big cities in the world. And Shanghai dunyodagi eng chong shaharlarning ichidagi birisi. Demakki, eng chong shahar degan gap emas. Juma ballama o eng chong shaharlarning ichidagi birisi. Okay. And the American left. Demakki, left deganimiz hamda who are left degandan qisqartirmasa deyishadi. And the bu yerda shu people deganni aniqlab qo'yadi. Masalan, I am one of the few people who are left in the room. And bu qisqartirilgan who left. Qilib qolgan odamning ichidagi nimasi birisi. Demak, hamda bu left deganimiz hamda am go-to bo'la oladi, ham go-to fence bo'la oladi. Left. Leave, left, left. Leave, left. Uniki left deganimiz hamda nima deysanlar? şu sol taraf, right degan şu o'ng taraf, shunami? Shu xil ma'nosi bor. Left. And a few people left. Over 100 people must have been driven away from their home by the nose. And the yüzden artık kişiler de bu uylardan köçüp gitti. Belki bu şu nime tüpeldin? Çok ama şu varamçırın avaz tüpeldin. And the müşareke must have done. Bu kendisinden de ben çünkü bu nime arasında ötmüşteki məlum yüz bəgin işlağın nispeten şununla üzənlərin bölçərini, üzənlərin qiyasını aitti kendin aletten nime arasında şununla cezim qılan alet işbadılsan must have been. And bu 100% emas, bunun ihtimallık nime arasında 90%. Mesela he must be somebody degende. And o must have done ban şekli ötkengi nispeten. Mesela they must have lost your letter in the post. Ular çokum senin xətini poçtxanda ya poçta düzütürüp etken. Demek ki siz muş iş ahvalga nisbeten özünüzdeki göz qarashını versanız, özünüzdeki qarashınız 90% etrafında çokum şunun cezim qıla alsınız, muş must have done degen işletimiz. Eğer they may have done, eğer may bolup qalsa, buna təxminən 50% etrafında. May have done. Must have been done degen joy. Sanlam bununki beydon yutay şekli. Bu beydon yutayını qıyganda qanarı sanlam almışır emasmı? And your letter must have been lost in the post. Senin xitan çoxum boşunda jutturutilgan nada poçtada. Kim jutturuydu? They, ular. They must have lost your letter in the post and your letter must have been lost in the post. Degandek. Okay, anda şu cümleni tanlap yapыңlar. Qarap baqıran bolsаңlar, demek the sound of the boy practicing his guitar next door is driving me mad. Okay. And they drive somebody mad. Şunamı? Demek ki bu yandaki gitar meşq qotqan balanın avazı meni jijili qilib sanan qilibdi. Okay. Drive somebody mad. Şunamı? And the key thing about I am to go abroad next year and nothing will stop me. I am determined to. Okay, determined deganimiz demek. Sana şu qarar kelmek. Men chet elga chiqishni qarar qildim. Endi hech qanday narsa nima qilib qolanmaydi meni? To'sab qolanmaydi. Determined to go abroad. Qaranglar. There is something wrong with some computer, but I don't know which one it is. Demek ki eni qolmagan çoxum bir kompüter chataq var, lekin qasdin chataq olgan qanaqalarni bilmedim. I don't know which one it is. Tom is one of the few students. Okay, students left. Okay, student left in the classroom. Moshuna gitme C. Anda moshu sınıf qilib qolgan o'quvchilarni kelmisa birisi. All right. What about this? The teacher, my mother, cared for the sick child night and day. Demek ki, apsi bu ağrıp qalgan balaga keç gündüz qanday sanla nim qildi. Okay. All right. Endi ma'noda D to'g'ri-da. Ma PPTni chagos qanday qilgan? Alınış qapta. Night, day and day, all day and all night. Emmisi qanday sanla A, B, and C. Demek ki, emmisi. Most people like to spend their Christmas holiday at. Nurgun kişiler özününki Rojdestvo bayramını nerede ötkazadi? Okay, at home. Yaxshi, at home. All right. Misallar bizniki şu grammar focus, şu grammatik nuqtamizni qarab baqaylik. Okay, endi bugungi darsda intayin muhim bo'lgan dars nima desanlar, şu har xil jumla bo'laklari. Masalan, ega xabar to'ldiruvchi holat. Masalan, I can hear passing planes night and day. Endi mishariki ega deganimiz shu ish harakatini paydo qiluvchi. Ish harakatining yuz berishiga sabab bo'luvchi nima? Masalan, Bak haber deganimiz way deb qo'ymiz. I can hear. Ko'pincha bunodagi harakatlar. To'ng'si deymiz go. Harakatning hammasi asosan nima desam xabar bo'ldi. Demakki, igining ish harakatlarini men doklad qilib keldi bizga, xabar ko'rsatib turdi. Endi bu iginingki obyekti nima desam, shu ish harakatining obyekti, demak xabarning obyekt. Nima anglanadi? Shu aeroplanning ovozida passing planes. Endi holat deganda xabar bilan o'rinlar, vaqt bilan o'rinlar ko'pincha jo'ng bo'lib keladi. Masalan, night and day, vaqt ekan go. Endi mana ikkinchi jumla nima dersanglar, passing planes can be heard night and day. Endi bu yerga being bo'ldi, egin bo'ldi, ega bo'ldi. Demakchi, mana birisi beydon yutadi qanday ekan desanglar, qarab qolgan bo'lsak, buningdagi ega nima bo'ldi? Ega buningda qarasanglar, egisi nima bo'ldi desanglar, egisi nima bo'ladi? To'ldirib o'tsa, ega bo'ladi. Demak, endi bu shunda olmishadigan gap, beydon yutayning cheklar. Yana passing planes can be heard night and day. Night and day. Demak, endi bu shunga qanday qilishimiz kerak desanglar, nihoyatda diqqat qilgan gap. Endi bu beydon yutay bo'lganda qanday desanglar, shu can do degan nima? Can be done. Can do, can be done. Masalan, qarasanglar, he will repair your watch. Yani your watch will be repaired. Endi oddiy kelgusi zamonninki buni shakli qanday bo'ldirsanglar, will do bo'lgan bo'lsa, will be done. Va done degan fe'lning 3-xil shakli. Go'chufins shakli. Masalan, they must test this new car. Anda beydon yutay bo'lgan nima? This new car must be tested. Demakchi must do was must be done. Masalan, you have to write this letter. And this is bu xatni yozishingiz kerak. And this letter has to be written. Demakchi how to do nima? How to be done. How to be done. Mashlarni bu jumlalarni tatib bo'lsa yozib olib qanday qilinglar desanglar, cho'qim yaxshi mashq qilinglar bo'ladi. Okay. Qaranglar, masalan, I told you he could do it. Okay, and then I told you it could be done. O'xshashlarmi? Could do ninki could be done. Can do ninki can be done. Tushunami? Masalan, someone has stolen it. It has been stolen. Has done ninki has been done. Demakchi, shunday ranchangninki hozirgi tutgan zamonninki buning qanday bo'ldi desanglar, mush o'tirg'i bendan qataversak, beydon yutaga olmashdi. Has done, has been done. You know, qaranglar, I live near an airport and I can hear passing planes night and day. Endi bu yerga men anglayman emas, uchib o'tayotgan aeroplanlar qanday qilindi? Kech kunduz anglandi. Endi buni shaklini berasanglar, passing planes can be heard night and day. Tushunami? Endi qarasanglar, they built the airport years ago. Ular aerodromni necha yil ilgari salgan. Demakchi, airport was built. Endi aeroport o'zi sallanmaydi-ku. Demakchi, selindi, aeroport selindi bir necha yil ilgari. But for some reason they could not use it then. Ma'lum sabablar tufayli ular uni ishlatmadi. Demakchi, endi aerodrom ishlatilmadi. Okay, but for some reason it could not be used. Demak, usti bilan ostini aniq selishtirsanglar, shu judon holat bilan beydon holat aniq chiqadi bolalar. Aktiv holat bilan nima desanglar, shu majhul. Passive holat. Tushunami? Beydon holat desa. Tushunami? And then last year, however, it came into use. O'tgan yili, however, it came into use. Bu yoqda desanglar, o'xshash. I live at an airport and I can hear the passing plane night and day, and they built the airport years ago, but for some reason couldn't be. They can have mezman asas o'xshasha. And over hundreds of people must have been driven away from their homes, and I am the one of the people who left. Sometimes I think this house will be knocked down by a passing plane. They have offered me a large sum of money to go away. Okay? And the bunu beydon holatning bo'ladi desanglar, I have been offered. Okay, and the meaning that I have been offered. Bu ilgisi anında toldurgucu olduğunu, manında ilgi oldu, manında ilgisi anında kanak olur. Sana toldurgucu oldu. Demek ki ben kanak oldum, nurgun pululan kanak oldum, teminlendim. Okay. To go away, but I'm determined to stay here. Lekin ben müşahit duruş kanak oldum, karara geldim. Okay, and mushu tekstimizdeki bir retell qilib ballar. Yana put the picture in order and try to retell the story. Ama birinchisi nima? Okay, I live in near an airport and passing plane can be heard night and day. İkinchisi, the airport was built years ago, but for some reason it couldn't be used. Last year, however, it came into use. Okay. Ona da geldi var sana. Dördüncüsü, beşincisi. I feel like passing plane would knock down my, and I was offered, a large sum of money degendik. Demekçi, birincisi can be heard. İkincisi mesela airport was built years ago, but for some reason it couldn't use, and then last year, however, it came into use. Over 100 people must have been driven away by the nose. Sometimes I think airplane, our house will be knocked down by passing planes. And I have been offered a large sum of money to move away. And she's going to buy a car next week. And a car is going to be bought by her next week. And the machine o tarafından kiler hafta setvelenmekçi. He will call on you this week. Okay. And then you degenimiz toldurgucu. Toldurgucu ilgi oldu. And you will be called. You will be called on by him this week. Siz bu hafta onun tarafından tılpan kılınısınız. And the key is we can finish the work soon. And biz pat yakında o işlerini hizmetini tamamlayımız. And then the work can be finished soon. Bu hizmet uzak kalmaya kadar kaldı ahırlaştı. Someone must have stolen my mobile phone. And the yan phone ne birisi çoğum oğul var. My mobile phone must have been stolen. Meaning ki telefonum çoğum başkalar tarafından kanaklangan, oğurlangan. Hoş, andaqda bugünkü dersimiz müşahitçi olsun arkadaşlar. Hem de bugünkü dersimizde en mühim olan şu grammatik noktalarını çoğum naiti etraflık, yaxşı tekrar kılışanlı gerek. Bolmasa, sizlerinki şu nesler kandarısan yaxşı olmaydı. Bolsa şunu görüp hatıranlı bolsun. Hatırı intayin tepsili, intayin inçke, emmiye topluluk bolsun. Bolsa şunu tünügün mezmunu bugün heptir bir, ayda bir, iki ayda bir emmi mezmunu qayt tekrarlatırsan işini menki bunun önemi çoğum sizler oylagan demek yaxşı oldu. Alright, that's all for today and see you next time. Goodbye.